Uh, Hello everyone. Welcome back to the session. And in this session, we are going to discuss if I am going to delete or I am going to remove the student. So that time students are going to logged in or not, right? So you can see there is three dots. There are three dots in every students are adding, right? In every row there is three dots are showing, right? So click on the three dots and you can delete the students, or you can also remove from your class, right? So if I am going to delete this student, what happened, you can see delete student, this red color delete student option is showing. So you can delete the students, and here you can see one pop-up is coming, delete a student, and it's asking, yes, I want to delete Nikhil. Okay, so just click on the checkbox, click on the checkbox and delete your student. So are you sure? It's prompting that the Tinkercad asking to you, you are deleting students cannot be undone. That means if you delete the student once you delete your student, then it cannot be undone. Means you cannot coming. You have to register from the scratch, from the first, right? So this will permanently delete the student Nikhil. It will automatically and permanently delete. There is no undone, means no undo. You cannot undo or you cannot undone, and your student will not be retrieved, right? So you have to go at the first step, then you have to add student Nikhil, then it can be added, right? Now I am just going to perform this option, delete student, right? There is one pop-up, delete student. You just go to click delete student, and what happened, you can see all the students are there except Nikhil. So Nikhil, I have already delete these students, right? So go to that Nikhil account I have already deleted. So if I refresh the page, so what happened? What will happen, right? I am going to refresh this page. You can see this dashboard not showing because I already deleted that student Nikhil, right? Student account on your own, so you have to log in other students, those have already added from the admin panel. So your teacher is your admin, and if they have the student list, only those students are going to add these classes, right, from that particular teacher. So student account, email you can you can create from the scratch, there is no issue. But here I am not adding just five students or six students except Nikhil is there. So same thing, just copy, and now I'm going to add the Rida. Okay, just paste it and join the class name. You just go and you just copy this name and paste it. That's me, and boom, you can see these students are added. There's different name, different students, other students are added. So once you delete the students and you hit the dashboard from where the Nikhil was, you can see, right, Nikhil was earlier there, but I have already deleted that student from my admin panel. So Kaushik Prasad 09 is your teacher and Ridhar is your student. That means once your teacher has removed or delete the student, it cannot be undone. Here I am not going to see Nikhil, right? So from the scratch, I have to add that student, that Nikhil, that student I am going to add, right? So you just add Nikhil, and then rest of the things you have to perform. But I'm not going to add Nikhil because this is that for the demo, and I'm just for the understanding purpose we are using that one. Okay. So here new student reader is coming. They have performed something. and in this way you can manage your student. If you don't want to add your student for any kind of issues, right, you can directly delete from their student. You can also add their student, right? So just click or click this student, right? Here there are options, there are multiple options, multiple students you are going to add, or you can add one by one, right? You can add one by one or you can add multiple. So here I am going to add Rita, and you can see this student are sick, and you also can delete, but the same thing will happen. This student's activity will not be showing from the teacher dashboard. This is the teacher dashboard, teacher panel. They can add your students. You can also, one thing, search by name, because there are lots of students, right? So you cannot require all the names. You can also search one by one, right? Mongol, M-A-N-G, or M-A-N. You just write M-A-N, and you can see only Mongol is showing. So that means you can also search by name, MANGL. So I'm just only two words you are adding in the search by name, this search box, right? And you can see Mongol is here. So Nikhil I have deleted. So one by one you can also manage, or if you have multiple students, lots of students in your classroom, that time you just going to search by name. You can add the search by name options, and if I want to reload this page, just remember that your safe mode is on. That means your student activity is calculating, is showing that logged in. That is also added. Right? 3 minutes ago, you are adding the students. I hope this is the basic things that you can add, delete your student from the class. In the next sessions, we are going to see some kind of activity inside that classroom, how we are going to create the interface, means we're going to see the interface, all the things, and sessions, all the other things I'm going to discuss one by one. But this next session, some kind of interesting things will come. So stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, anything, so please let me know. Always remember, after adding your students, all the things, you can add them in the safe mode, and always the students are coming, the by default their seat, their type is seat, right? I hope you can understand, and thank you for watching. And if you have any doubts, so please raise a query, and thank you for joining the session. Thank you.